I'm Martin Lacey from Climategames, and I'm going to show you in this video how to connect to our API. First of all, you can see here we have our project portal, and inside our project portal you can choose between removing plastic from the ocean, planting trees and restoration around the world, UK trees and US trees, and also sequestering for certain gold standard carbon projects. So the first step is to look through these different projects, decide what might be interested or aligned to your business, and then from there you can install the API. So to install the API, if you're using Shopify, you just go to the Climategames plugin, which is live on Shopify, and you press Get Started. Once you press Get Started, the plugin will install to your Shopify store, and then you'll be able to choose the projects that you actually wish to fund and obviously look at the different prices. So here you can see the next phase, and in this, where it says update configuration, you can choose the projects you actually wish to fund. So these range from 65p all the way up to £5 if you wanted to do UK or US trees. Let's say I chose plastic removal on this particular instance. You can see that for every single sale that you make, you're going to remove 3 plastic bottles from the ocean. Now, one of the key things about Climategames is that you can change the project you wish to fund quite regularly. So let's say in February you wanted to change it to planting mangroves. You can then choose mangrove planting. And again, you just save the configuration. And then every time you're making sales throughout that time period, you're going to be planting mangroves. And we give total transparency around impact. So here you can see the actual impact building. That will also show on your project portal as well. And then as you can see below here, we're showing every time a transaction happens, which one of the impacts that you're funding. So this is super simple, loads of flexibility, loads of customization, and you just download it directly from the Shopify store.